So this is the July bag makers box from Studio 77. I've already opened this part because obviously it's got my address on the postage label. So let's open it up and see what we get. So if anybody wants to see the previous box, I have got a video with that. So again, as with the last video, you get a leaflet talking about different patterns that you could use the materials inside for, and there's 20% off codes with each of the designers who Emma from Studio 77 has collaborated with. There's a little bit about there and on the back about what exactly is in the box. So we have a tea bag, which is gingerbread chai. I'm going to be completely honest, I'm probably going to give this one to my mum because it's got cinnamon in it and I'm not a cinnamon fan. But the last one in the other box was beautiful. I think it was it a strawberry lemonade tea, and that was absolutely gorgeous. So this will be a nice little treat for my mum next time she comes over because she likes cinnamon. I don't. And let's have a look at the vinyl. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm just going to see if I can let's get a little pair of scissors and I'm just going to carefully snip this. Oh wow, I don't know if you can see that so well in there, but that is absolutely beautiful. It's so soft and it's not massively thick, so I think it will be very, very domestic friendly. I'll just sting it out again and see if you can, that's it. Oh, it's just, it's gorgeous. I'll just take off that tape. That is beautiful. I love it. It's like, it is kind of like a floral design, but it looks like splashes as well. It's really unusual. I absolutely love that. So that is the vinyl that's included, and this is the tape, the zipper tape that's included. That's really nice, like a floral fabric and then gold zipper teeth. Hopefully you can see that. That's lovely, and I think that will go really nicely with the vinyl, with some gold zipper pulls. And let's have a look in this bag. Oh, so we have a turn lock. So I've thrown the screws. So when you open your box, be really careful that you don't throw the screws that come with this purse lock. So basically there's the extra screws for that side, and then it's a floral lock that goes through, so that's lovely. I'm going to make sure I keep them screws together. And then we have two sort of look like leaves, petal leaves, zipper pulls. They're really nice, so they obviously match the zipper tape really well. And a couple of handmade tags in gold also, with the backs for them to work. So there's two zipper pulls and two handmade tags. So obviously it's kind of, you know, if you had a couple of smaller projects, there's enough for both. And we've got some 77 stickers. So this is needle and thread on a glitter background, and this one says "so good." with the Studio 77 website on. I think I might put them. I'm actually one of them people that don't have stickers on my sewing machine, so I think I might have to start because I've got a little bit of FOMO. So I've still got the stickers off the last one. So yeah, so that is the July bag makers box from Studio 77 with the vinyl, the tape, purse lock, zipper pulls and handmade tags. So I'll link in the description box where you can sign up for the bag makers box. So that's on Emma's site. They are bi-monthly, so this one was July, the previous one was May, so the next one will be September. And you just sign up as a subscription and the payment goes out, and about a couple of weeks later you get your box. So hope you've enjoyed seeing what was in the surprise box, and like I say, I'll link in the description box Emma's site so you can go and have a look. I do have a video showing the previous May box, so I shall link that as well if you want to go and have a look at that one. So thanks for watching, see you soon, bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to see my next video when it's released. I'll see you next time.